A recent Android update can cause the Dave app to crash, freeze, refuse to open, or stop loading certain features until the app is updated to work properly with the new version of Android. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest ways to get the Dave app working again after an Android update. Start by opening the Google Play Store and checking for a Dave app update. It's common for developers to release a compatibility update shortly after a major Android update. Installing the latest version often fixes crashes and loading problems. If you're already using the newest version, completely close the Dave app and restart your phone. A reboot clears temporary system files and background processes that may be causing conflicts after the operating system update. Next, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi, then reopen the app. If Dave can't reach its servers, it may appear stuck, even though the app itself is working correctly. If the app opens but some pages stay blank or your account information doesn't update, sign out of your Dave account and sign back in. This refreshes your account session and reloads your data using the updated app. Another useful step is clearing the app's cache. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, select Dave, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. Cached files created before the Android update can sometimes interfere with normal app behavior. If clearing the cache doesn't help, you can also try clearing app storage, but be prepared to sign back into your account afterward. You should also make sure your phone has enough available storage. Low storage can prevent apps from downloading new files or running correctly after a system update. If the problem continues, uninstall the Dave app completely and install it again from the Google Play Store. Reinstalling replaces damaged or outdated app files that may have survived the operating system update. If none of these steps solve the issue, the problem may be a temporary compatibility bug affecting multiple users. Check whether a newer app update has been released and contact Dave support if the issue is limited to your account. Include your Android version, phone model, app version, and screenshots of the error so support can investigate more quickly. To recap, update the Dave app, restart your phone, test your internet connection, sign back into your account, clear the app cache, check available storage, reinstall the app if needed, and contact support if the issue continues. If this guide helped you fix the Dave app, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Dave troubleshooting videos.